Recording starts. Hello YouTubers, this is Katrina and this is Ella. These are my two granddaughters and they're gonna help me today build this guy here. BrickFlyer. That's very important. I already charged the battery. It's only 3.7 volts, 600 milliamps. Yeah. And this is very important. That's the brain of the whole thing. It's flight controller. So I have to be making sure that I have these colored cables into the appropriate holes. Actually sockets here. Okay, and they're gonna help me build the legs. 4 pieces legs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, start now. You can do the legs first, and I'm gonna do this.
Do you clip it?
Sure. Yeah, you can clip it.
Okay.
You can clip it.
Ah!
Ta-da!
I already know how to do the legs.
I'm gonna do the motors. So motors go like this.
Now I can walk to my house.
The yellow one you're gonna put here. Are you done? Are you done? Blue and red, white
I
and
need to do this one.
black and white goes here. That's a little bit problematic.
Click. No, can that? Hold hands. Look, I'm walking everywhere. People are walking everywhere. You do mine?
This one is a little bit.
Yeah, I did it. This one is yours.
Oh, okay. That one is a little bit bad, so you have to be careful how you put it.
Like Katrina. Oh, I love you. Katrina. Wait, where did our other one? You have 4? You got 4.
Are you done, guys?
Yes.
Actually, I'm not done yet. I have trouble because this one socket is a little bit bent.
Then?
Yeah, and I have to make sure that I put it
Okay.
the right way.
This
Otherwise,
way.
it's not gonna work.
Um,
See, it's not gonna work. Okay, put this one here,
this there.
like this. Ta-da!
You don't do that. That's good. I have 1. That's good. I have 2. That's good. I have the. Don't look at the pieces. More. Look, you know, actually. It's all mine. Okay, mine. It's all mine. This is all mine. Wait.
It doesn't work really. It's supposed to go like
I
this.
think you're in. My 2 is a little. Hey, we don't do that. Those are the legs. Legs? Yeah, to fly and stand. So do you. Okay. Stop it. You break it. You are.
Okay, guys, when I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you something else. Okay, finally I did it. So we have it according to the plan. Black and white, black and white, and here is blue and red. They both facing, camera is facing up, LEDs on the side. Now,
Look at mine.
Now we need this central piece, right? Put it here. Put it here. And then we use these guys here. These guys here. And these guys here. Guys, are you helping me? Or are you not helping me?
Not helping.
Oh.
I am.
Wow.
We're waiting.
1,
We're waiting.
2.
We're waiting.
We're waiting. Are you waiting?
Yeah. Wait first.
Okay. Katrina is helping me actually. Can you put this one here, Katrina? Yeah? Oh, no, easy. Like this. Oh, that's too big. That's the wrong one. You just need the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. That's the short one. Yeah. We can put this one on the top. And then put this one here. And that is the number 10. We can put this one here.
Walking down.
Yeah. There you go, Katrina. Very good. You're better than me. You're better than me. And we put this one here. And put the next motor here. Okay. Here. 4. Oh, I think that's the bigger one, is it?
No.
No, it's 4. Okay. Good. So that's it. Now we put the battery like this. The battery exactly fits inside. I'm gonna put it through here and fits really nicely. And now we should put this guys over. But I don't think it's really necessary. So we're just gonna put this strap in order to save a little bit weight around here. So
Around here.
we need straps.
Share traps.
We need this to hold everything in place. Make it tight as possible. And that's it. That's it. Now we need the legs, right? Did you finish the legs?
Yep. I finished the leg.
Did you? All 4. We need the 4 pieces. So you need to put like this on top of this. 4. And you, Katrina, can you make 4? So it's a little bit lighter.
4.
You done? And then you press 4 here for legs.
More and more.
No, just 4. That's 4 enough. Can you press it here?
We got to put.
4. Another 4. Hold on. Thank you. Now it has the legs. So that's how it looks. See? This camera. We didn't put this protector. Protector.
Oh.
See how it goes. Tractor. It's not
It's
tractor, it's more like a protector. Okay, you're gonna go put it
We
here.
forgot to put this on.
Then I'm gonna put it here.
How do you put this on?
Opa!
This is not
I think
this.
we lost one leg.
This is stuck.
Okay.
This is my
A Lego
thing.
style
It's
guy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now we
It's
have
my
another
Legos
protector
Five,
here.
6, 7. 2, 3, 4.
Okay,
We
one
have
more, one more. Yeah, all in place. So the thing is, these guys are moving this way, this way, and this way. So clockwise. And these guys are moving this way and this way, counterclockwise. So they counter each other torque. Action, reaction. Okay? Now we're gonna try, does it work? Does it work? Okay. Let's put this one first. Oh, look at that. And we press this one here. And if you want to calibrate it, you just press and hold this one. Calibration done. And then you press this one.
There you go.
No, don't touch it. And off we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it flies. Look at this. Whoa, very stable. Let's have fun. Look, that's really nice.
I know how to put that baking.
It has really bright LED lights. Do you want to catch it, Ella? Put your arm, put your arm like that. Actually, I'm gonna catch it. There you go. So again, let's see. Okay. Let me try first. Come from this side. Wait. You started like this. Wait. Whoa. Put both hands, Katrina. It's gonna land on both hands. Lower. Oh, look. Put the hands underneath. We didn't take it. Oh, let's see. How much is that? Last time, I promised you to wait. I said this is made in Germany, but actually, just a second, this is made in Switzerland, right? Made in Switzerland. And I got it 25 years in Germany. When I was in Germany, I got it. This is probably made in China. Okay, wait. This is 500 grams. And this is 2,000. So 2 kilograms. Let's see. How much weight did we save? Probably a couple of grams. 71. Let's see here. Oh, cannot. Okay, let's see. 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 legs, 4 legs. So 4.3 grams, right? Let's see here. 65 grams. So 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. So if we cut the legs, we save about 4 grams. And it should save us on flies really nice. Now it has a little bit 4 grams less, so it's a little bit nimble. So it's a little bit more nimble.
Put it on my head. Put it on my head.
Hold it. Hold it. Oh, okay. You can try to lift it up off your hands. Put your hands. Come here, Ella. No, hold the hands normally. Yeah, like that. See? Don't touch it. Let's go like this. Yeah. Nice. Now we're going to try something else. I'm going to use my phone. Cell phone. Here. They have fun on their own. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Lock it. Try to lock it. I can. My password. Okay, I already downloaded this guy here. So alleyway, start. Before that, I should be going to, just a second, Wi-Fi and go Wi-Fi UFO 89 E0E8980. It says it's connected. So I should be having the picture now. Yeah, I'm having a picture of the FPV because it's an FPV version. See? Okay, now we're gonna try how it flies. FPV. Actually, I'm gonna kill the engine first. You record this first, yeah? How it works. And if you can, like, you go, like, hold it like this. And you stay behind me and you can look, you can record just my this thing here. It's not bad actually. No, don't touch it, don't touch it.
I want to land on my pillow. Make it land on my pillow. Make it land on my pillow. Dina, can you make it land on my pillow?
Not now, maybe later. Let's see how it flies over there. Can you come in?
Where is it?
Can you record this, Katrina? Oh, I don't see it anymore. Okay, can you put this? Yeah, inside the house it's really nice to have the protectors because basically with protectors you can buff it. It's not bad, right? Ah, you're okay recording. They're playing a little bit. Hey. Is it blinking? No. Still flies. Flies nicely. That's good. It's good. Bye-bye. Not bad. Flies over 4 minutes, probably. I don't know. I didn't check the. The battery is still good. Oh, battery is then low, empty. I'm gonna land it. Okay, that's it. It's not bad. It's really good. Has a little bit lag, but it's It's not bad. Let's see how the charging works. Just charging and that's gonna be nice. Enough. That's the original charger, just USB charger. And it's gonna tell me how much does it charge. So, oops, a little bit too. Oh, it goes this way, so it has to be this way. See, have to be gentle. So, and that's red. It starts with a 1 amp, and slowly, because this battery doesn't have a battery itself doesn't have the. It's only 1 cell battery, so no need for balancing. Balance charger, 3.7, 600 milliamps. So it's gonna slowly, it says it charges about 1 hour to 60 to 90 minutes, depending on how much did you. See, it goes down to 54 to 500 milliamps. That's why it needs about an hour to charge. And it slowly drops down when the when the inside Widerstand, electrical resistance, goes up, the current is gonna go down, and that's about it. It's pretty neat device. I like it. It's really amazing how much you can. So only if you make it like brushless, these guys here, and keep the 64-70 grams, that would be ideal. Of course, with a perfect reach, that would be the ideal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thanks.